Well, good afternoon. We're gonna do the intro. I got Matt here with me today, and we're on a New Hampshire pike spot. And so we have 5 lines set up a piece, just so if we get bored, we can jig. But this is a very small pond. If you know where I am, do not disclose it. Matt will be very mad because he's the one that got me the spot. So we do catch pike. I do have the underwater camera set up, but they appear to be camera shy today for some reason. So hope you guys watch and enjoy. It's gonna be just running for flags today. Yeah, best we can. Thanks for watching. All right, where should I drill? Here?
Yeah, this is not a bad spot right here.
So kind of like.
One back in that area.
All right. Good morning, guys and girls. We're going for pike, or gators, or whatever you want to call them. Most of the time when I used to fish for bass on Champlain, I hate pike, but they are a super fun fish. We're using flags. I'm here with this this guy Matt I've been talking to for a couple years now. Met on the ice a couple years ago. And we're gonna set up with small, medium, and large shiners. And see if we can get on them. And we're in a weedy area. I'm gonna try to not disclose the pond. We're fishing a very small pond that cannot take a lot of fishing pressure. So let's see what damage we can do. And if it's real good, well, my plan is to set up tip-ups, and then if that works, once one gets like a hot, basically, we'll set up the underwater cameras, which will be sick. You got a flag up?
I do.
Yep, fire one. We got our first flag of the morning, guys. The furthest one, of course. And let's see, it's Matt's flag, so let's see if there's a good old pike on it. There's also bass and perch and that kind of stuff in here.
Little pickerel.
I was just about to say there's probably pickerel in here too, but like the little freaking bait stealers. I'll have to say they are a fun fish on like super light tackle, and they do get pretty big, but not as big as pike get. Smallies. Yeah, it's because they're eating the trout. We got another flag up, guys. Oh, yeah, something on there. Get him.
Yep, got him. Let's see. Pike, little
tiny guy. Little tiny guy. Not bad though.
Yeah, I'll take it.
First pike of the day.
Oh, jeez.
Things are warming up. Surprising what those little guys can eat.
I know.
Impossible to hold. There we go.
Yep.
Little pikey.
Little pike.
Gator, as they call them on Champlain.
Sure. Down the hole.
Cool.
Is that his blood or my blood?
I think it was.
Me.
Is it?
Kinda, yeah. That's probably the smallest one I've caught out of here.
Oh, really? Most of the time, you get a flag far away.
Ah, alright.
Hitting again, guys.
Which one? I can't even see it. Oh, I see it now.
Yeah, it's the far one. Always. Flags up, guys.
I believe we got another one.
Yeah. Don't you love that? Hit him.
Another pickerel.
Let's get your shiner back. Alright, we had.
I think it's moving. I could be wrong.
Another flag go off. Same one. What is it, number 4 already?
I think so, yeah.
Probably.
I don't think I have anything on this one, though. I could be wrong.
Swing and a miss.
I got him. Oh, that's a bigger fish. Definitely a bigger fish.
Oh yeah, it actually took a run.
Oh, a bit better. All right.
There we go. Bigger pack.
need pliers for this one.
You got them or you want mine?
You got yours?
Yeah, they always stay in my pocket, man.
All right.
Right, send them back. Hold them and send them back.
Yep.
There we go.
Better one. Send him back. There he goes.
Yeah, he kicked off.
Yep. Let's go get that other one.
It's always the fire flags. Oh, you think it flipped up and went down?
I don't know what. Yeah, it popped out. Okay.
So it could be a fish on this.
There is. And it's nice too. Let's see, get that camera out. Probably a pike.
Another one,
Yeah,
guys?
it's a pike. Yeah, head shakes. He's not bad. Oh, dude, I just.
You just popped him?
Yeah, he was actually nice.
Oh, that's a big shiner too. Look at that shiner, it's destroyed. Oh man, I don't know how long that's been up for.
A while.
All right, let's just go get the other one.
Yeah.
So you wait till you feel tension and then whack them?
Yeah, it depends whether I see it spinning or not. If it's really going, I'd pull it right away, but
It's not spinning.
yeah, I'd pull it. Off to the side, pull out a little bit of line. There you go.
Well, it's skunk's off for me, guys, today, finally.
He's on the board.
Man, I didn't bring my shiner. Oh, got my shiner back though.
You got pliers with you?
Yeah.
I don't.
You're down in your butthole there, buddy. So I love dealing with them pinching between my legs and they can't do anything. Ow. Still got sharp teeth though.
Yes, they do. Has he got another shiner?
No, I messed up one of his gill rakers. It's too bad you can't use pickerel as bait. Skunk is off, guys. Wrong species, but same family. As I was setting it down, he's the one been stealing my shiners because he's got another one in his mouth. Right, this pickerel just slammed me on the way down. Nailed it.
Oh, there he goes. Found his way down.
Thanks again for watching, guys. I didn't catch any pike today, but Matt did. He's, dialed in on this lake. He knows what pound test to use, all that kind of stuff. Like I said, if you know the lake, don't disclose it. If you say it in the comments, I'm gonna block you because it is a small lake. But I will be going for pike again, definitely in the springtime when they're up spawning, probably in my big boat or the kayak or my canoe or something like that. They are super fun fish. I did catch a bunch of big perch and a couple pickerel in the video, but I figured I'd leave those out. So that's New Hampshire pike fishing for you. There is a couple other places in New Hampshire that have pike. They're just kind of far away from me, and the percentage of catching a big one is pretty low because we just don't have a lot of pike here in New Hampshire. So thanks for watching.